What if I told you that Tesla's best-selling SUV just got a major upgrade for 2026? One that could completely change how we look at electric crossovers. From futuristic lighting to an even sleeker cabin, the new Tesla Model Y is here. And it's sharper, smarter, and more refined than ever before. But here's the big question. Is this the EV you should wait for? Or is Tesla simply playing it safe? Let's find out. The 2026 Tesla Model Y still carries the familiar silhouette we all know, but there's no mistaking the upgrades. Up front, Tesla has introduced a continuous LED light bar that stretches seamlessly across the fascia, giving it a futuristic, almost concept car look. And instead of just the T logo, you'll now notice Tesla, spelled out boldly across the front grille area with illuminated lettering, something fans have been asking for. On the side, the coupe-like roofline remains, but subtle tweaks in the bodywork improve aerodynamics even further. Pair that with new wheel designs, blacked-out multi-spoke rims, and the Model Y looks more aggressive, especially in this striking deep blue finish. Now let me pose a question. Do you think Tesla made the right move by keeping the same familiar shape? Or should they have gone bolder like some of their rivals? Stick around, because in a moment, we'll talk about why Tesla might have chosen this strategy. Moving to the back, the changes are just as eye-catching. The taillights now form a continuous light bar across the hatch, with slim L-shaped extensions at the edges, giving it a wider stance at night. And for the first time, Tesla has engraved 2026 alongside the dual motor badge. Almost like a badge of honor for this refreshed generation. It feels more premium, more complete, and unmistakably Tesla. Step inside, and the cabin instantly feels more futuristic. The new yoke-style steering wheel returns, paired with an upgraded 15-inch center touchscreen that's brighter, faster, and more customizable. One detail worth noting is the ambient lighting. Thin LED strips run across the dashboard and doors, adding a more premium vibe, something Tesla interiors were often criticized for lacking. The seats look sharper too, with new stitching and better bolstering. Tesla also continues to offer massive glass roof panels, making the cabin feel airy and open. And here's a fun curiosity trigger for you. Did you know that Tesla has quietly redesigned the software UI for 2026 with more detailed 3D car renderings? It's a small touch, but it shows Tesla is paying attention to polish. Now, what about performance? While Tesla hasn't gone radical, the 2026 Model Y dual motor still delivers blistering acceleration, going from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, depending on trim. The long-range version is expected to push well past 330 miles on a single charge, thanks to improved battery efficiency. And here's where things get interesting. Rumors suggest Tesla is experimenting with its 4680 battery cells in this Model Y refresh, which could mean even more improvements in charging speed and durability. Imagine plugging in for just 15 minutes and regaining over 200 miles of range. That's the future Tesla wants to deliver. Tesla knows families buy the Model Y as much as tech enthusiasts, so the 2026 update continues to prioritize space. You still get the optional third-row seating, flat cargo floors, and clever storage solutions. Combine that with Tesla's expansive supercharger network, especially with other brands joining in, and you've got one of the most practical EVs on the market. But here's the burning question. With new EV competitors arriving almost every month, can the updated Model Y still dominate the segment? So, there you have it, the 2026 Tesla Model Y. Refined design, upgraded interior, improved efficiency, and still one of the most versatile EVs money can buy. Tesla didn't reinvent the wheel, but they've sharpened the edges just enough to keep the Model Y ahead of the game. Would you choose this updated Model Y over something like the BMW iX, Mercedes EQB, or even the upcoming Kia EV9? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and EV deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.